Yeah? Can I help you?
So, we ain't gonna discuss how you try to make me look like a bitch?
Ain't nobody make you look like a bitch. You made yourself look like a bitch, okay? I literally handed you my child on a silver fucking platter. Then you got mad because I called you out on it. Then you said, oh, I'm gonna be outside this window. And I told you he gonna bite you. So ain't nobody play anybody but yourself. Don't blame me.
Okay, that's great and all, but I'm not worried about what, your son biting me. That wasn't the problem. It was what he said afterwards. That's what pissed me off. And I know you had something to do with it because you were the one that was so desperate to give him to me in the first place. It's not my fault that you had a piece of crap child and I got two beautiful ones that I've been struggling to try and get back to. So don't even come at me calling about who's a bitch. You a bitch. You didn't even want your kid. Can't even handle yourself as a mother.
So we want to talk about deadbeat moms? Okay, first of all, who's the fucking idiot that let their kids drown in the fucking river? Where the fuck were you while they were fucking swimming? So we're gonna talk about bad moms. At least I put up with mine. You let your kids drown in the river, okay? Or did you let them drown in the river? Maybe you just fucking decided that you were gonna drown your goddamn self. So don't even come at me talking about I'm a bad mom. I'm not a good enough parent. I can't handle being a mom because I can handle this child. Obviously, you can't handle my child, and you couldn't even handle your own children. So, what did my son say to you that made you feel some type of way? Because you obviously all in your motherfucking feelings, ho.
Okay, first of all, we're not gonna come at me like that. You're gonna have some sort of fucking, respect. Alright, you put some respect on my fucking name, okay? That's not the point. Don't be coming at me. It was an accident. I didn't drown my children on purpose, okay? Meanwhile, you trying to hand over your child to a monster and shit. And then you...
The fuck my son say, bitch? What'd he say? Because you in your feelings. So... The fuck did my son say to you, bitch? I'm talking to you, ho. Because like I said, I could handle my child. You obviously couldn't. Which is the reason why I had him this weekend, driving me motherfucking crazy. So, what'd he do? Oh, I could tell you that, mama. I could definitely tell you what I told that bitch. Because let me tell you, she was standing on my window looking like a creepy ass pedophile. And your dad was sitting there saying, your mama told me to come and get you. Like, bitch, what is the code word?
Hey, mind your business, you little shit. This ain't got nothing to do with you. This is between me and your mama trying to play me and make me out look stupid here and have me feeling some type of way. I can't even speak right now. You got me so angry right now.
I said to her.
Hey, shut your mouth, you little motherfucker. Mind your business.
Hey, don't be talking to my kid like that, alright? You let the kid speak, alright? You shut your fucking mouth, you rude asshole. Couldn't even handle him and all that shit.
You didn't even fucking want him, ho. You were just trying to throw him to me for free. Like, seriously, you need to shut the fuck up, bitch.
Obviously, you couldn't handle him. So, boo-boo, please tell mommy kindly, what did you say to this stupid-ass fucking bitch that thought she was so scary and intimidating? Couldn't even fucking take care of own kids and let them drown in the fucking river, asshole. Dead-ass, big-headed asshole. Can't even motherfucking swim, asshole. Couldn't handle your own life without them, hoe. You probably killed them, asshole. Your booty stank, asshole. I called her.
Shut your mouth, little motherfucker. I'm not playing with you.
Bitch, you ain't gonna do shit. Shut the fuck up. Boo-boo, please continue. What'd you call her? I called her a soggy-ass, stale-ass piece of white bread that can't swim and can't take care of her kids. She a deadbeat thot. And she a dumb-ass hoe. And her breath stink. And her pussy smells like a drowned sewer rat. That's it? Yeah, that's what I called her. Fuck you want me to do? I mean, it's the truth. I mean, what more you want me to say, man? Jeez. That's what he called you? They got you all up in your feelings?
He also bit me, too. Right on my neck. Rude, little motherfucker. Keep him. I'm out of here.
No, you ain't going nowhere. I'm about to fuck your ass up.
Yo, chill.
I'll fight you, hoe! Tragic. Bitch can't even fight. Mom, put in the suplex. Put in the fisherman suplex. Yeah! Put in the northern light. Oh my god! That woman's broken in half! Holy crap. By the way, are you guys going to be ordering WWE Evolution tonight?